Hey guys, so quick video for you about the Woodridge Elite, the reasons why you shouldn't buy it, the pros and cons to be aware of it. Now, Traeger is a good company. The first thing is that for the pros, infrared side burner is the great feature, insulated body construction, enclosed storage cabinet, same great cooking space as the pro. Also, the side burner is versatile, cleanup is easier than older models. Beats the ironwood on value, let's say. But again, what are the important things to be aware of is the price. So this is the first thing, is like it's on a more expensive side. Also, like the price jump is just like significant. So yeah, that's like huge price, and it's like double of the Woodridge, like for the basic pellet grill. Now also no cover included, so that's something that you don't have, and that's something to be aware of. Another thing for it that to be aware of is that I've also read there is like pellet sensor issues a little bit, and also another, the assembly is time consuming, so that's another thing to be aware of. And then still doesn't have the trimline controller, so that's like another thing. And the Woodridge has the same issue as the Gen 2 Ironwoods. Temperature soaring in super smoke mode, occasional startup issues. And side burner takes time to boil water. This is something to be aware of. So it takes like 20 minutes to boil. And the heat retention and searing could be better. So while the insulation helps, heat retention and searing capabilities have some room for improvement, especially in the cold weather. So I just wanted to like share with you important things that you have to like be aware of about the Traeger Woodridge Elite. So thank you very much guys for watching, and hope you're gonna have a great day, and goodbye.